I'm Delia.
Hi, I'm Enoch.
And we're Malaysia X Ventures.
Alright, so we finished up the gas tank skid plate. So just to give you kind of an order of operations, you want to put all the brackets on, finger tight, loose, you know, so you can adjust and move them. I found, because I'm by myself, I used the jack that came with the car, set it in the center point and jacked it up. I attached this point one in the back corner because you have to have it completely tight. So you want to start with that one, mount it, and then you adjust all the other points. Get all of the bolts into the brackets here, tighten them down to the brackets first, and once all of them are tightened to the plate, to the bracket, then you tighten the brackets to the frame, and that allows everything to settle correctly, and it should fit quite nicely. It worked out really well. It went pretty smooth. So I just installed the cross member for the transfer case and transmission skid plate. Pretty easy. 2 bolts to the top, and then they go directly all the way through the frame. And then just like on the gas skid plate, everything is loose, finger tight. I mean, it's got a little bit of tightness to it, so I want it to be holding it in place. But essentially, it's finger tight. And then we're going to mount the middle ones first, because they seem to be the most rigid spots. So I'm going to get those mounted first, and then which will be in the middle. And then from there it should support its own weight, and then I'll line everything up with the front and then line it up with the back here last, because this has the most movement, so I should be able to adjust this accordingly if needed. The holes that these are in are also sliding holes, so I can slide it forward or backwards if necessary. This whole entire cross member can go forward and backwards and angle. So we'll get the jack underneath it and jack it up and see if we can't get these two in the middle and I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it because it doesn't really leave a lot of space for me to get the bolts in, but we'll see how it goes. Hey, so we're starting on the front skid plate, and everything else has gone in quite smoothly. So right now I am taking the bolts out of the stock to flimsy little front skid plate that they put here. I mean, it helps, but I guess it's better than nothing, right? So I'm taking this guy off, and then I will be putting on the brackets that I have to put on. There's one more over there to mount the new aluminum skid plate that will be covering the whole under the engine bay and everything. And yeah, so I'm almost done. I have like 2 or 3 more bolts to pull out, and then we'll start putting the brackets in.